What, are you hungry? You got dry food. Go eat your dry food.
Can you positive that nothing's okay?
No, she's in better shape without you.
Heartbroken or awkward?
You got dry food.
Find a new word. She's back to normal.
She's back to normal.
Yeah, that's it right there. You're looking at it.
Something out for me. You said something to Susan that I can't figure out.
Book the club.
You said to Susan that I must be mad about something that she told me that you did. What?
Your plate's empty.
Anything about us? About the profiles in the
Go eat your dry food.
No, she didn't tell me about profiles or emails. What?
Dad, you better sit down. Or maybe lie down on the bed.
What have you two done?
It was Cassie's idea. No, she's the one who put the thought in my head. I did.
Enough. One at a time. You first.
Well, we decided that you should date again. We need a woman around the house. It's getting lonely. So we went to romanceforyou.com and made a profile. That's how we met Susan.
You giving me the poor me look?
But she's really nice, right?
You're not gonna get no food. Look at that stare. I'm getting the evil eye.
Susan's heart hits.
See, Mama, feed me.
Finding real love is hard these days. Maybe almost impossible.
What's the matter a little bit? You got food.
Hi.
You got food in your bowl.
Susan's heart hits.
This is what I gotta look at all day long because you want wet food.
Maybe almost impossible. But watching my mother's unabashed joy